Video, we're going to talk about ways to contrast different things in speaking. We use certain phrases to discuss things that are similar or different. We often use these phrases as a way to explain the differences between two or more people, places, experiences, or things. Let's look at 3 phrases used to contrast two things. To contrast things is to talk about how they are different. For example, to show how doctors and teachers are different, we might say, phrase number 1, are different because. Doctors and teachers are different because they each need a special degree. The two nouns being contrasted are doctors and teachers in green. Then you see the phrase are different because in purple, followed by the independent clause, they each need a special degree. Remember that an independent clause is a complete sentence with a subject, they, and a verb, need. Here is another example contrasting community colleges and universities. Community colleges and universities are different because they offer different types of degrees. Phrase number 2 is unlike. Unlike doctors, many teachers complete their university degree in 4 years. This sentence begins with the phrase of contrast unlike in purple, followed by the first noun doctors in green. Then the second noun is said with a verb phrase for more explanation of how the two things are different. Here's another example using unlike. Unlike community colleges, universities offer master's degrees and doctoral degrees. Phrase number 3 is using but or whereas. Doctors may take 10 years to finish their education, but teachers finish in 4 to 6 years. In this sentence, each noun in green is part of an independent clause that explains how the two things are different. The word but or whereas goes in the middle of the sentence and shows that there is a difference. But is more commonly used in casual speaking. Whereas has the same meaning, it just sounds more formal. Community colleges offer associate's degrees, whereas universities offer bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degrees. Using whereas makes this sentence sound more formal. Let's review the 3 phrases to contrast people, places, experiences, or things. 1. Are different because. 2. Unlike. 3. But or whereas. To summarize, there are certain phrases to compare and contrast how things are similar and different. Often, speakers use these phrases